Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily use the image-to-image prompt or image-to-image functionality on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Leonardo AI on any of the browser you have on your PC and sign into your account. What you need to do next is click on image creation, which is over here. Then you can see this image icon. Just go ahead and click on it, and under image guidance you can see view more. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see image to image. It detects the color pattern and overall look of an input image to guide your image generation. So let's go ahead and tap on it and click confirm. Then you can see you must upload an image to get started. Go ahead and click on this option over here and let's go ahead and find our photo which you want to upload. So this is the photo I want to upload. As soon as the upload is completed, I'll just go ahead and select it, and you can see some of the prompt must be given. So you can just go ahead and select some element over here. I want the art to be in a glitch art. I'll just go ahead and click on confirm, and the glitch art is done over here. And I'll just go ahead and write down that create a cartoon like cyberpunk. So I'm just going to go ahead and write some prompt like this. You can see this image to image option is enabled over here. You can see the strength. You can disable or you can increase or decrease the strength of it. Go ahead and tap on match if you want, and the dimension will be matched as well. So after you do so, just go ahead and click on generate. Wait for a while, and then it will be generated. So you can see that this functionality will be quite in use in some time, because it will generate some really crazy image-to-image artwork and you might like it. Some of the designs is really attractive and fascinating. So this process might take some time and it will differ according to the modes. Some of the legacy modes are available here. If you click on legacy modes, you can see that you can use the number of images. The type of things you want to change will be over here. You can see that this is a glitch art created from the image to image option which I enabled. So guys, I hope this video about how you can use the image to image functionality on Leonardo AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.